Originally grub was installed to /dev/sda, but now it has set to boot via /dev/sda6 FreeBSD boot, which chainload grub. Drive/dev/sda was originally drive/sdb, if someone is wondering why its FreeBSD entry shows HD16. Anyway, if wanting to load FreeBSD always the right way, and disk, the best way is to use UUID for determining the right partition. Command sudo blkid in Linux tells the UUID. In the drive 2/dev/sdb, FreeBSD is installed to partition /dev/sdb1, which UUID is 688A0195A7 edpad. For getting FreeBSD to boot from /dev/sdb1, the line in Linux is /etc/grub.d/40 custom file is. Menuentry, FreeBSD search works. Insmod fs-2. Insmod part ms-dos. Insmod search fs-uuid. Search, no-floppy, fs-uuid, set equals root 688A0195A7 edpad. kfreebsd /boot/loader. If using UEFI boot, the entry would be menuentry, FreeBSD UEFI boot. Insmod fs-2. Insmod part GTP. Insmod search fs-uuid. Search, no-floppy, fs-uuid, set equals root 688A0195A7 edpad. kfreebsd /boot/loader.fe. And then testing.